Well, what have we got for you this time? Storm clouds are brewing. Merlin finds a lovely park up. Some great drone footage. Storm damage. Beautiful waterside views. Where Graham learned to swim. And a national nature reserve.
Well, hello, you're joining us in a place called Farnham, which is in Surrey. It's relatively near to where we used to live years ago. And this weekend we're meeting up with family, so it'll probably just be a simple little vlog if we do a nice walk somewhere. But hopefully we will manage to take you along with us on a nice little explore of the places we used to go to. Traffic's bad here, isn't it?
Just this junction.
Yeah, we've had a really good drive from Wales, from Newport where we live. Basically Graham has driven as economically as possible, so we're hoping to find out how many miles to the gallon we're getting out of Merlin. But it's been a really pleasant journey. The sat-nav took...
32.2 at the moment.
Is it 32.2? That's not too bad, is it? And some of it hasn't been motorway. The sat-nav sent us off through parts of Hampshire, which was really beautiful, through the forests and things. But obviously those sorts of roads with roundabouts, etc., seem to be a little bit slower and less efficient.
Well, we've just arrived at our destination. It's a place called the Moat Pond, and it's near a little village called Elstead, near Thursley. It's on the border of Surrey and Hampshire. So just going to park Merlin up. I nearly said the van then instead of Merlin. I'll put the what three words location up here, although we didn't stay here overnight because we stayed with family. It is suitable for an overnight stop.
No, not here. Oh, that was somewhere else.
And here we are at Elstead Moat, now called Thursley Moat. Well, here we are on Elstead Common, having a look at the moat.
Well, you learnt to swim.
Yeah.
Maya, sorry, darling. Wee wee. Okay, good girl.
Now I seem to remember the water was pretty grim.
Good girl.
Used to come out of the water with scum all over you. I'm not selling this, am I?
It's lovely here, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
It's really calm. Little ducks on the pond.
I have swum right across there.
Have you?
Yeah.
Do you think you could still do it now?
I probably could, yeah. Not quickly.
No.
People used to bring their cars up to this bit.
Did you? What, and park or just drive round?
You used to be able to park all along here. You couldn't take them over the other side.
Oh.
Yeah, families used to come up here and spend the day.
In their cars?
Yep, with their kids.
Wow. Looks like a casualty of the windy weather. Poor tree.
And this area is protected. There are lots of species of newts that are very rare, and lots of rare plants as well.
The sun's nice and warm now, it's trying to come out, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Lots of people used to come up here and sail their remote controlled boats.
That sounds like fun. Do you think they still do it?
I don't know. They banned the petrol ones because of the pollution.
Yeah, fair enough.
It's lovely here, isn't it?
Gorgeous. The sun's trying to come out as well.
Yeah.
Lovely hearing the birds singing.
Yeah.
Walking on a carpet of pine cones.
Yeah, it's very smooth, isn't it? Very carpet-like.
Very carpety. Pine cones and pine needles.
And there's Merlin over there. Interestingly, I can't actually see any camping restrictions. So I think we could stay here overnight, maybe tomorrow night.
Yeah. Although you reckon that's where all the courting couples come.
Yes,
so I doubt we'd get much sleep.
I remember those days.
Thursley National Nature Reserve is made up of dry heathland, peat bogs, pine and deciduous woodlands. 20 species of dragonflies and damselflies live around the open ponds and ditches of the reserve. The areas of open water also support the bog raft spider. In addition, there are sphagnum mosses, early marsh orchids, bog asphodels, heath milkwort, cotton grass, sedges and rushes. The rare marsh club moss can often be seen on bare exposed peat along 3 different species of the carnivorous plant sundew. The birds to be found include Dartford warblers, stone chats, long-tailed tits, gold crests, red starts, white throats and wheat ears. Thursley NNR is one of the largest remaining fragments of a once more extensive area of heathland in Surrey, and it's approximately 325 hectares in size.